How do we divide integers? So, ang rule sa division of integers ay parehas din sa rule ng multiplication. So, ibig sabihin, like signs ay positive, unlike signs ay negative. Okay, so try natin sagutan itong example natin. 16 divided by negative 4. So, unahin lang natin yung sign. Ano ba yung magiging sign? So, itong 16, ibig sabihin na ito ay positive ito. Positive 16 divided by negative 4. So, unlike sign, isang positive, isang negative. So, therefore, ang sagot dyan ay negative. Tapos, i-divide na lang natin. So, madali namang i-mental yung mga example natin. 16 divided by 4, the answer is 4. So, therefore, the positive 16 divided by negative 4 is equal to negative 4. Okay, so next. So, we have negative 12 divided by negative 3. So, tingnan muna ang sign. Parehas negative. Negative 12, negative 3. So, dalawang negative, ibig sabihin, ang sagot niyan ay positive. So, hindi na kailangan isulat yung positive. 12 divided by 3, that is equal to 4. So, the answer is positive 4. Then, we have negative 72 divided by 4. So, isang negative. Yung 4 walang sign, ibig sabihin na to ay positive. So, negative 72 divided by positive 4. So, the sign will be negative. So, pag medyo mahirap i-mental, pwede nating i-manual natin dito. 72 divided by 4. So, that is equal to 7 divided by 4 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4. Subtract. So, we have 3. Bring down to 32 divided by 4. That is equal to 8. 8 times 4 is 32. So, therefore, the answer is negative 72 divided by 4 is equal to negative 18. So, next number, we have 200 divided by 8. Walang sign, ibig sabihin yan ay positive parehas. Okay, so dahil positive parehas, so divide na lang natin. Divide lang natin, 200 divided by 8. So, pag hindi kayang i-mental, i-manual natin dito, 200 divided by 8, 20 divided by 8, that is equal to 2. 2 times 8 is 16. Subtract, so we have 4. Bring down the 0. 40 divided by 8 is 5. 5 times 8 is 40, so wala nang remainder. Therefore, 200 divided by 8 is equal to 25. Positive 25. No need to write na yung positive sign. So, i-try nyo naman itong number 5. Negative 96 divided by 12. Comment nyo ang inyong sagot.